Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best pool thermometer floating easy read large, the ThermoPro waterproof wireless pool thermometer. If you've ever struggled to get an accurate temperature reading from your pool, hot tub, or even your ice bath, this product is about to make your life a whole lot easier. Right out of the box, you can tell ThermoPro has taken user-friendliness seriously. The packaging is clean and elegant, which also makes this device an ideal gift option. Inside, you'll find the digital thermometer itself, a separate indoor receiver, a string for tethering, and a set of AAA batteries. Everything you need to get started with zero hassle. Setup is completely effortless. There's no pairing or syncing necessary. The transmitter and receiver come pre-paired from the factory. Just pop in the batteries, and you're good to go. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, the simplicity of setup ensures you'll be monitoring water temps in just a few minutes. Now let's talk design. This thermometer features a sturdy, waterproof casing made from high-quality ABS material and is rated IPX8. That means it's fully submersible and built to handle long-term exposure to water without degrading. The components snap together with alignment markings, and once sealed, the waterproofing holds up impressively well even in variable weather conditions. But durability isn't the only win here. Accuracy is another major strength. The sensor delivers highly reliable readings, accurate to within plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit, and it covers a wide range from minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're tracking your hot tub's soothing warmth or checking the chill of your cold plunge, the ThermoPro has you covered. One of the standout features is the wireless range. Using RF technology, the signal can reach up to 500 feet, which is a game changer. Imagine being indoors and still getting real-time updates on your water temperature without stepping outside, especially useful during cold mornings or bad weather. And speaking of the receiver, it features a large, easy-to-read backlit display. It's clear, bright, and includes both current and historical temperature data, with a 24-hour max per minute memory feature so you can track fluctuations. It even includes a humidity monitor, which is a nice bonus for those using it in spa rooms or humid environments. Another thoughtful upgrade in this version is the Mode button. This allows you to switch between pool and hot tub modes, giving you a tailored experience based on your water environment. It also activates a comfort indicator to help you and your family enjoy the water safely and comfortably. So whether you're a parent checking your baby's bath, a spa enthusiast, or a pool owner looking to maintain perfect swimming conditions, this device is more than just a gadget, it's peace of mind in floating form. That wraps up our look at the ThermoPro waterproof wireless pool thermometer. Easy to use, super accurate, built to last, and packed with features that make your life easier. This product truly earns its title as the best pool thermometer floating easy read large. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, give us a like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell for more in-depth product reviews just like this one. See you in the next video.